For today's topic, we're gonna talk about rigging in motion. So the definition of rigging is it lets you map one or more parameters at preset values to a single control. For this lesson, I will just talk about the checkbox. How to add a rig. So you go to add object and then rig. Then this rig joystick icon here, you can rename this however you like. And then you will have a slider, a pop-up, and a checkbox. For this tutorial, we're gonna talk about the checkbox. The checkbox just turns on or turns off a layer. So that's how I use it. If you have seen some templates, you will notice they have that checkbox in the publish parameters. For example, I have a group in here. Then I have two groups, drop zone, and this image, which is a logo image, something like that. So first, let's select both group, and then this opacity, let's drag this to the checkbox. Then if we click this one, so it means turned on, then let's slide the opacity of this one, group 1, to drop zone. And then if we uncheck this one, let's drop the opacity of group 2. Now, if we select our checkbox again and then toggle the switch of this checkbox, we can switch between a logo or your image and then the drop zone. So that's the easiest way to understand the checkbox in Apple Motion.